Today I took out the MAIWO NVMe M.2 2-bay enclosure. On the back we do have some venting. We got some fins on the top for cooling. Now on the back we have two USB-C ports. So this one actually has independent buttons. So we can just replace one of these and not have to worry about the other one. So this case is all metal and these hard drive holders are all plastic. We can't see they're NVMe and they are slotted for different size drives. Comes with two thermal pads, two spacers, a little pouch called screws, and that has our buttons. So this is a little odd. It only comes with a single data cable. I think this would have worked if one cable was able to connect to both of these, but if you want to read from both of these drives, you need to have two cables. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Well, the cable they did include is USB-C to USB-C, as well as a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So that part is nice. So I am going to connect my two drives. We can just make sure that skid plate sits underneath. So I'm going to plug into my first drive and plug that into my laptop. Okay, and we do see the files, and the files are playing. So let's do a speed test. Okay, so for the sequential 1 MB 8 process 1 thread, we're getting 1060 and 979. For the sequential 1 MB 1 process 1 thread, we got 802 and 789. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 268 and 290. And for the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 30 and 79. So this is 10 gigabit per second speed. Definitely not bad at all. So the odd thing to me is just the fact that we're going to need to have two cables in order to connect both these drives at the same time. For me, that kind of defeats the purpose of having a dual bay enclosure. But if this is something that suits your needs, like you just want to have two drives enclosed in the same space, then this will be the right enclosure for you.